So this is damaged. We're gonna have to replace it. It goes right there.
Try to remove this.
So we're gonna have to take that part off.
They're gonna be
So we took off the old ring. We're gonna have to replace it. We might have to remove the fan.
in order to replace this part right here. So I'm gonna put this one back. Get this one here.
So we're removing the part that holds the fan, so that we can take the fan off. Okay, so we just removed this.
Goes right there. And now we have to remove this one. This off. Or this, no. Basically this is gonna be the one. Too small. So
Okay, so there was a nail holding this, so you had to remove it. Then you could pull this out and pull it off, and it should look like this. So you also have to remove this part, and you can set it aside. Alright guys, so we are actually back. So we ended up ordering the part that had to go here. So my dad just ended up taking that part that was damaged. It was this one. You could take it off with anything. So we got the new one right here. It's not damaged, it's nice and new. The difference in between this one is I don't know if you guys can see like this one is brand new. He's brushing it with like
wire brush.
wire brush. So it's clean. Okay, so you just let it sit there. You don't have to put any glue or anything. You just let it sit. And that part is what goes on top of here. And that I think is what doesn't let the air get out.
Take the screws off.
So this goes right here, right there, and then you put the nails in. But you have to replace, before you do that, you have to replace this part right here. We also got that part.
Brand new.
It just sits perfectly right there.
Right here.
So we just took out the whole part with this and everything. This is a new one that we just got, and this is the one that was damaged too. So we replaced that. Then technically you can put it all back together.
Screws right
I will put the link in the description for the parts that we got for this. I don't know if your guys' air compressor is the same problem, but for the problem that this one has is it doesn't have, when the air compresses into here, it like gets out really easily. That's why we had to replace it, because it was all damaged and it let it out air quickly. So now that that's done, we can put the fan back, and technically it's all back together. This is gonna have to be connected into here, right? Yeah, it's gonna be connected into there. You could do it with a wrench or something. And technically, yeah, that's it. We will try it in a little bit. Okay, guys, that's going to be it for this video. We did just like connect the pipe that was inside. Then we put on the plastic part that protects it. He's just tightening up some parts. But yeah, that's going to go end it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hopefully it was helpful for you guys. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and close up this video, and we'll see you guys on another repair.